Are you looking to save big on web hosting this year? Let me explain how Hostinger promo codes work and how you can get the maximum discount. Many people pay the full price for hosting without realizing that Hostinger always offers promo codes that can cut your costs significantly. These codes can give you discounts on shared hosting, premium plans, and even WordPress hosting, helping you launch your website at a much lower price. When you're signing up, you'll see an option to enter a promo code at checkout. By applying the right one, you can instantly reduce the total price of your plan. Hostinger often provides seasonal deals and exclusive codes that unlock extra savings, sometimes up to 80% off. That means instead of spending a big amount, you can get fast, reliable hosting at a very budget-friendly rate. The best part is, these promo codes work for new users, and sometimes even for renewals, so you're not just saving on your first purchase, but in the long run as well. If you've been planning to start a blog, an online store, or a business website, this is the smartest way to keep your budget under control while still getting professional-level hosting. So, before you check out, always make sure to use a Hostinger promo code. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of money and make your hosting journey much easier.